Well, from Bollywood to Sandalwood, there has been a major development in the Bengaluru drugs racket case. The Central Crime Branch has arrested Sandalwood actor Ragini Dwivedi. Earlier today, the CCB conducted searches at her residence. My colleague Neha joins me for more on this. Neha, tell us more details about this arrest and what the crime branch is saying Ragini's role was in this.
Well, Aarti, this was on expected lines. It was only yesterday that Ragini Dwivedi was summoned to the Central Crime Branch. She skipped the summoning, sent her advocates, and today we're seeing her house being raided. So we understand now that the Central Crime Branch has, in fact, picked up some very crucial evidence from her residence, with looking at most probably digital evidence and other physical evidence, as well as what we understand. Both her mobile phones that were, in operation have, in fact, been taken. They have been seized by the Central Crime Branch. Now, apart from that, also what we understand, Aarti, is that Ragini Dwivedi has in fact been taken into police custody. She's been arrested solely because of her links with this person by name Ravi, whom we're actually looking at. Ravi, let's give you a little background to Ravi over here, Aarti. Ravi was someone who had very close links with drug dealers, is what we understand. He used to procure them from one place and supply it further to many more parties. Now, apart from Ravi, also a third arrest that's been made in this case is that of a person named Rahul, who was a government RTO office clerk, and he also, in fact, attended several high-profile parties where there were many celebrities, is what we understand, Ragini Dwivedi being one of them. So he's also, of course, been arrested at this point in time. So three key arrests coming in right now. But as far as the role and the very specific role of Ragini Dwivedi is concerned, the police are interrogating the matter, but owing to her links with these two persons now, of course, who were involved in drug networks and drug mafia and drug trade across Bengaluru, across Karnataka as well, we'll have to wait and see. We also now understand from the crime branch that this person, the second person that we're talking about, Rahul, in fact, was not only dealing in drugs within Karnataka,
Right,
but also inter-country drugs, is what we understand, with the neighboring countries, is what the police has said.
Right. Now, Neha, there's also information coming in of another accused whose name is Viren Khanna being arrested. Can you tell us more details about this latest arrest?
Well, absolutely, Aarti. Viren Khanna being one person who's just been arrested right now by the Central Crime Branch. Of the information that we have, the police tell us that he is, in fact, one of the main accused whom they were on the lookout for quite some time now. He was picked up from Delhi by two of the Central Crime Branch PIs, and also imperative for us to remember now that it was, what the police says is that it was Viren Khanna who actually organized all of these parties where the drugs were mostly circulated and sold. These were understandably so rave parties, but his entire role now, of course, is slowly coming to light. But a very key arrest is what the police says.
Well, Neha, we'll keep coming back to you for more on this at the time when there's so much of focus on an alleged drug cartel operating in Bollywood. In the Sandalwood industry, the probe has also picked up steam and a number of arrests being made in that case.